Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you probably already saw in the thumbnail, today's video is going to be about this delicious and yummy omelet with some veggies, such as grated carrots, potatoes, and more. This is a quick and easy recipe, which doesn't require many ingredients, hence why there is no recipe included in the video. Enjoy this healthy and filling veggie omelet with some bread on the side as a quick lunch or dinner. For now, let's get on with the video. Let's go. Firstly, start off by chopping up some onions and adding them to the pan with some olive oil. Meanwhile, grate some carrots and potatoes as well and add them to the pan right after. Then chop up some paprika and add that along with some olives and corn too. Leave it to cook on medium heat and mix everything together as shown. Don't forget to season everything as well with some salt, pepper, and other spices you'd like. Now add some canned tomatoes and a can of spicy sardines for a little more flavor. Now it's time to add some breadcrumbs to the mixture and to then top it off with some lightly whipped eggs. Cover the pan and leave it to cook on low heat till the eggs are done on top. And this is pretty much the end result. Enjoy this veggie omelet while it's still hot, ideally with some homemade bread on the side. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done and cooked. Hope you enjoyed this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell while you're at it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.